the last portion of the Bloch synthesis. For the previous video function generator, that we will numericals on function generator. This portion is left. We can find the values of R1, R2, R3 without considering the common factor R4 by D. This is the common factor. R4 can be found out by the equation 1. R4 is equal to R1 plus R2 minus R3. Okay, now this is a numerical synthesize a 4-bar mechanism which in one of its positions will satisfy this omega and alpha. It's the angular velocity and it is the angular acceleration. For crank this is, for coupler this is minus, okay. For follower this is minus alpha 3. Now putting in equations 1, 2 and 3 and simplifying without considering the R4 by D factor, we get the value of R1 by solving. What is the complex quantity? So no need of giving the bar, arrow is vector. No need of giving. This is actually a complex quantity. So R1 is equal to, and this can be done by this angle. Okay, now this is the figure. Okay, this is how this is plus, this is minus. So this is plus, this is minus. Okay, and this is the resultant, which is this one, and this is the angle minus 22. Okay, that you know about the complex quantity. R2 is equal to minus this one. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, now what is this? This is minus and minus. Minus means this is minus, this is minus. Actually this is the real axis, this is the imaginary axis. Okay, so R2 we have found out. Now here R3 is there. Okay, so this is also minus minus. So in this quadrant, this is minus minus 96.5. The angle is minus 96.5. This is minus angle because it is in clockwise from this real axis. Okay. Now to find out R4, we use the equation 1. R4 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus minus R3. So this you can add all this. Value of R1, value of R2 and the value of R3. Okay, so you can get Okay, this one. So now here you see one is minus and minus, so same thing. This is minus minus. So this is this value is this one 181. This is 181 and this is the angle. Okay. Now if necessary we can rotate the figure below, that is the position of the whole mechanism, to make OQ as horizontal. Now we can make this one as a horizontal, there is no problem. So you can rotate it, no? To make it horizontal. You can rotate it in clockwise, all angles will be rotated. This is the figure. Okay.